Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a get ready with me. I will be doing a voiceover, but yeah, I'm here to share with you guys my makeup and hair, so if you guys are interested then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sogoodhair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this sexy tussle bob as well as this smoky eye look that I am wearing right now, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Sogoodhair. So they did send me out the 12-inch body wave unit, so this is a really cute bob. So here's the cap construction. The cap construction is average head friendly, meaning it will fit large or small heads. It does feature 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also has lace in the back in case you want to pull it up. I wouldn't do that, but you can if you want to. So it also comes with soft lace, and it is about 4.5 to 5 inches of parting area. And I'm just showing you guys the rest of the construction. So in the front area, it is pre-plucked as well as pre-bleached, which is really nice because that kind of cut out the work that you would have to do, and it does look really good. And now I'm going to go in and show you guys the parting area. It does look pretty natural for the most part, but I will personally go in and pluck it. But today I'm not going to do that because I am going to wear flip over method, but it does look decent, like it does look natural. And now I'm going to give you guys a 360 so you guys can see how the wig looks from all sides.
My baby, I will love you forever.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in and take some Got2b glue, and I'm going to just lay the unit down. I'm not going to lay it down completely. I'm just doing like the front area where it will be showing because I'm lazy and that's just how I chose to do it. So after I lay down the front baby hairs that I wanted to, I'm going to take this styling tool, and I'll have everything linked down in the description box below, or I'll have everything listed in the description box below. But this is one of those body waver thingies. I don't know, I'll have it in the description box. But I just wanted to go in and kind of like redefine the waves because I did run my fingers through the hair, and by the way, there was minimal shedding and tangling. So yeah, I just wanted to go in and kind of like just put that wave back into it a little bit, even though I am going to go in and kind of like finger comb it out. I just wanted to put the waves back in and then kind of make it look tussled again.
I know that you're feeling me. See me now. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make up feel up. If I never do, I'm gonna talk up. Baby, you're welcome. For protein, baby, love you, baby. Dagu, body. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta.
Okay, and now that we're done with the hair, well, right after I finish crimping this, but right after we're done with the hair, we're just going to move on to makeup. And I think I'm just going to let you guys pretty much watch it because it's kind of like self-explanatory what I'm doing. And it's not so much of a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys like what I used and how I got it like really quickly. So yeah, the hair is done, and now you guys can watch me go in and do my sexy smoky eye.
And I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger me, eh. And I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, oh. And I be feeling you, oh. Original bad man, oh. John Tricks on the beat.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. You say, yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number when I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in on me yard, them I give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. You say, yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 To the E to the K, nah, nah, K. Boss, if you see every time I want to do, tell me in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants to wind her to my gypsy girl, for something to myself. She wants to wind her, keep me money on my place. She looking on my eye order. He wants to wind her, keep me moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me one. Yeah. Now so me say. She wants to wander, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. See my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants to wind her, keep me money on my place. She looking on my eye order. He wants to wind her, keep me moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me now so me say. She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover. Hot and cold, you be begging her please. No, if you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, I got it on, girl. You see me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional, I think.
Okay, divas, so I wanted to close out this video and tell you guys like what I feel about this gorgeous luscious hair. So first of all, let me say that it is so freaking soft. I love how full it is and how it's like full of body. Like, I really love this wild, like, tussled type of look. That's what I was going for, and I just absolutely love it. Now, of course, you can go in and curl this and make it something that is more uniform, but for me today, I was going for something that was more wild, so that is why I did that. I also really love the hairline. You guys know usually I always do like some sort of part, but this hairline is perfect. It is only like plucked in like the, I would say from like here to here, which I think that's good because I mean, do you really need it plucked anywhere else? I'm a type of person, I don't wear my units like in updos all the time and stuff because of my hairline. Like, my hairline is actually right here, so I can't wear it all the time like that, but I really do appreciate like how they did go in and pluck it. And as you guys seen, they did go in and bleach the knots, and all I did was go in and add powder to make this like melt into my skin. Okay, like, it is melting into my skin. That is what I'm seeing in person. I don't know what you guys are seeing on camera. You guys can let me know like if you can see the lace, but sis, like, I don't see it at all in person, and that is amazing. I know the camera can pick up things sometimes, so you guys could just let me know, but I am like really feeling this bob. Like, I love the cut, like how it's like asymmetrical, is that what it's called? Anyways, it has some angle to it, okay, and I am really loving that. So yeah, this bob definitely gets a thumbs up, and the hair is just so soft. It was super easy for me to work with. Like, I just really like this hair. So if you guys are interested, this hair is super affordable as well, so definitely check the link in the description box below. This is a pre-made unit, and they did pre-bleach it as well as pre-plucked it as well. So you guys, if you are interested, then definitely check the link that I have down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this hair tutorial as well as this makeup. There will be many more to come. You guys know I will have the hair videos coming as well as the makeup videos. I'm super excited. I'm so excited that this is the first video of this year for me. And yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.